Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss an example to implement else if later. And this is C program to print grade. So here, header file hash include stdio.h and then the main function. And here, int score. So the score we have declared as an integer variable. And grade we have declared as a character variable. Then print the message, enter the test score. So the user needs to enter the test score. Using the scanf statement, accept the score value and store it in the memory location. Then using the if statement, check if score is greater than or equal to 90. So if the secured score is greater than or equal to 90 means grade is A. It will print A grade. Suppose if this if condition fails means control will transfer to next else if part, and here it will check whether score is greater than or equal to 80. And if this if condition is true means it will print grade is B. Suppose if this if condition also fails means control will transfer to next else if part, and it will check whether score is greater than or equal to 70. So if score is greater than or equal to 70, assign grade is C. Suppose if this if condition also fails means control will transfer to next else if part, and there it will check whether score value is greater than or equal to 60. Suppose if it is greater than or equal to 60 means grade we will assign it as D. Suppose if all these condition fails, that is if condition and all the else if condition fails means by default it will go to else part and assign grade value is F. So if you are checking here, any one of the alternative it will be true. If the score is 85 means it will print grade is B. And if the grade is 75 means it will print grade is C. So likewise, it will check the alternative, and which alternative is evaluated to true, only that part of the code will execute. Suppose if all the alternative fails means it will go to else part and it will assign grade is equal to F. So finally, using the printf statement, print the grade in the output screen. So this is the main logic of this program. And this is the best example for else if later. So now we will check the output. So first we need to enter the test score. So enter the test score. If the test score is 85 means, so first it will check with this if condition, whether score is greater than or equal to 90. Sorry, the score value is 85. So 85 greater than or equal to 90. Condition fails. Next it will go to this else if part. Whether 85 is greater than or equal to 80. Yes, this condition is true. So grade it will assign as B. And using this printf statement, it will print the grade is B. So here if you are considering this alternative fails and this alternative is evaluated to true, and the remaining alternatives automatically it will skip, because only one alternative will be evaluated to true at a time. Suppose if the test score we have entered is 55. So here it will check with this if condition whether score 55 is greater than or equal to 90. Condition fails. Next control will transfer to next else. So here it will check whether 55 is greater than or equal to 80. Condition fails. Next control will transfer to next else if part. So here it will check 55 is greater than or equal to 70. This condition also fails. Next control will transfer to next else if part, and here it will check whether 55 is greater than or equal to 60. This condition also fails. So now if you are checking, the if condition fails and all the else if conditions also failed. So automatically it will go to else part and assign grade is F, and it will print the grade is F. Suppose if the grade value we have entered as 62. So here it will check with the first if condition whether 62 is greater than or equal to 90. Condition fails. Next else if 62 is greater than or equal to 80. Condition fails. Next it will check the next else if 62 is greater than or equal to 70. Condition fails. It will go to next else if. Here it will check whether 62 is greater than or equal to 60. Yes, the condition is true. So it will assign grade as D. So it will print the grade as D. So if we are checking here, all the alternative will not be evaluated to true at a time. Among these many alternatives, only one alternative will be evaluated to true. Whether it may be a if statement or any of the else if statement or finally else statement. So likewise, only one alternative will be evaluated to true at a time. So this is the logic of else if later. Thank you for watching this video.